madam, parents, and my dear friends. At first, I wish you to all Independence Day. My name is Nakshatra. I am studying 4th class. We are celebrating Independence Day. We got freedom on Tuesday, 1947. We celebrate on this day with joy and happiness. Independence Day is a national award festival of India. We should respect our great freedom fighters. I love my country. Jai Hind.